Hello everyone, welcome to Design Go Rhythm. I am Shelly. You can see on my screen that I have opened a drawing of a table. Today in this video you are going to learn how to model this table. The whole process will be step by step, starting from creating the 2D geometry and then converting it to 3D. So this is going to be really interesting. Before getting started, I would like to thank you all for your love and support, due to which I have almost reached the 1000 subscribers mark. I am trying my best to explain the complicated softwares in easiest possible manner, especially for the beginners. My efforts will be highly rewarded by your subscription, likes and inspiring comments. Hope you have already subscribed my channel. Let's dive into the process and explore the method. You can see that I have already made 3D modeling as my current workspace and I am in top view right now. I will create a circle of 10 inches radius. Another circle of 8 inches radius with the same center point, and one more circle of 4 inches radius using the same center. Now I will change my view to southeast isometric. I will now move the outer circle 1 feet 7 inches upwards. And will move the smallest circle 9 inches upwards. I will go into the top view, activate the quadrant toe snap, and now I will draw a line starting from the quadrant of the middle circle to the quadrant of the smallest circle. Now I will go back to the southeast isometric view. I will create a circle of 0.1 inches radius and another with 0.2 inches radius. Now I will pick the sweep command and sweep the smallest one on this line. And I will sweep the other circle around this circle. I will now go back into the top view. I will pick polar array and select this geometry and hit enter. I will then give the center point of the array and change the number of items to 30 and hit enter. Going back into isometric view, extrude the top circle 0.5 inches and change the visual style to conceptual. Now I will fillet this top with a radius of 0.2 inches. Let's put them two layers to add some color. I will set the view to front, assign a layer to lower part and I am going to mirror it. We'll move the top a little bit, deleting the extra geometry. Changing the view to isometric. Change the visual style to realistic. So you can see our table is ready, and believe me, this is just the beginning. We will continue doing modeling of furniture in my upcoming videos. So if you like my concept and want to see more, you have to give a big thumbs up by pressing the like button, and please show your support by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any notifications about the upcoming videos on my channel. Thanks a lot.